रस्सी बोले है जुर्म मेरा मेरा होना तो जुर्म किया है मैंने जिंदगी मैंने जी होगी बस जुर्म सहा मैंने अपनी ताकत में झूल गया ये बात तो जालिम भूल गया
by chanting a beautiful song at the occasion of Kashmir Day. Thank you. खून में रंग डाली मेरी जन्नत जैसी ये वादी कब खत्म होगी तेरी बेशर्मी कश्मीर में लिखी तेरी बर्बादी
कश्मीर की जन्नत नज़ीर वादी कश्मीरियों की है। उनको उनके जायज़ हक से महरूम रखा जा रहा है। शदीद जुल्म की घड़ी में कश्मीर के अवाम आज़ादी के लिए पुरउम्मीद हैं। अब आपके सामने एप्सिस के तलबा कश्मीरियों पर ढाए गए मज़ालिम की मंजरकशी करेंगे।
Opportunity to address this esteemed assembly. The United States urges a peaceful resolution to the Kashmiri issue. We call for direct India-Pakistan dialogue, respecting international law and Kashmiri rights. Both nations must engage in confidence-building measures, refrain from escalating tensions, and address human rights concerns. The United States supports initiatives for stability, dialogue, and is always standing ready to assist in fostering lasting peace in the region. Thank you.
Now the delegate of United Kingdom. The United Kingdom's interest lies in the recognition of a world in which majority of states respect the rights of their citizens, the rule of law, and implement democratic principles. The Kashmir issue is a bilateral matter for Pakistan and India, and it is fundamental for both countries to resolve this matter peacefully as recognized in the United Nations Security Council resolutions and the Simla Agreement. There have been human rights violations observed in both Pakistan and Indian administrative areas. Therefore, we encourage all states to ensure that their domestic laws are in line with the United Nations Humanitarian Rights Council's objectives.
The Kashmir issue should be solved properly through peaceful means in accordance with the UN Charter, the relevant Security Council resolutions, and the bilateral agreements. Thank you.
United Arab Emirates understands the sensitivity of the Kashmir issue and the historical context surrounding it.
It is outlined in various UN resolutions. We advocate for peaceful situation, meaningful negotiations which involves all the stakeholders. It's essential to engage in open dialogue to address the concerns of both India and Pakistan, fostering an environment where people of Kashmir can determine their own destiny.
Thank you. The session is dismissed.
The first time that the Kashmir issue was brought to the United Nations was in the year 1948. And yet to this day, it remains unresolved. In fact, over the past 76 years, the Kashmiri people have been deprived of basic human rights and slaughtered mercilessly. And worst of all, Kashmir isn't the only one of its kind. It is one amongst many regions. Regions like Afghanistan, Yemen, Syria, Ukraine, and Palestine, whose people were killed by foreign invaders. And all of this bloodshed enabled by the hypocrisy of the United Nations. Because while it may claim to be a body meant for protecting international peace, it has failed time and time again to prevent genocides and hold countries such as the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Russia, and India accountable for their crimes. If we truly want freedom for Kashmir, then whether it be by pen or by sword, we have to fight for it ourselves.
कश्मीर हूँ मैं कश्मीर